Hello everyone, this is Satya Nikhil. You're watching me on my YouTube channel. Welcome back to another video. I know what you're thinking. I've taken a long enough break, but I owe you guys an explanation regarding it. I will do in the further vlogs. But today, I've selected a very interesting topic which really struck my head and I wanted to speak about it. The topic is how to handle the mundane reality and the repetitive and routineness of our day-to-day lives. And as always, let the intro begin. So coming to the topic, I'd like to give a little synopsis before I really get into it. See, I'll just tell you the same thing again. We wake up, you go to school, they wake up, they fresh up, they're going to school. That is one. They wake up, they fresh up, they're going to college. That is another. They wake up, they fresh up, they're going to the job. They wake up, they fresh up, and they're going to the graveyard. It is the same thing which you do again and again in our lives, which are routines which are coming out of practices which are needed to put our lives in check. But in that process, what is happening is we are going through an emotional turmoil, unable to fulfill this space, unable to go through this boredom. In a way, life is starting to feel uninvolving. Life is starting to feel extremely distant. This emotion happened to me a few months ago. I was feeling extremely distant from my freaking own life. And that happened to me. When I think about it, when I go to the back end, when I think about it, even when you think about it, your life every single day, the activities you do are the same things again and again and again and again and again. Overall, let me tell this one example to you. See, when you start to learn how to drive, you are very excited how to drive a car. जो gears होता है, जो steering handle करना, checking the dimensions, and everything is so exciting. It takes practice to learn. And then later on, it's almost like nothing. You just get in and everything happens by its own. That is happening out of practice. But the things which you are becoming best or automatic, which you're earning by practice, is actually ending up making you feel bored, mundane, empty, uninvolved, unpassionate in that specific activity. So what is my theme? What is the conclusion? I'll tell you a small scene which happened to me a few days ago. I was driving to the office, my new office. I was going on my bike. It was a flyover. I saw this guy. He was driving some 100cc bike. I don't remember exactly. When he was driving, I think he was hearing to music. His helmet was on, and he was just dancing and praising himself and enjoying the ride like anything. This thought was in my head, like, why are my days so boring and so routine and the same thing? Even though I'm changing my habits, I'm taking new habits, I'm leaving old habits, I'm trying to play with my routines, I'm learning new skills, I'm at a new place, but still, it's so boring to me. It's not unstimulating almost. And then when I saw that guy, the amount of joy he put into doing that, just driving a bike, I got one solution for this. It's like I am doing the same thing with 100% more involvement. Highlight that word, involvement. Everything you do, even starting from cooking or the same workout or the same music you listen to or the same drive you do it with more and more involvement. This involvement will make you want to do the same thing differently. At the same time, while doing it differently, you are changing your routine slightly a bit. By changing your routine, you are stimulating and you are not feeling mundane anymore. If you really think about it, doing the same activity through practice with more involvement and more passion will stimulate you way different. So if you are feeling very mundane or bored regarding your day-to-day reality, I suggest you to be more involved and in the present moment, which will light up your life like before again. These automated activities start making our lives feel automatic. I was questioning myself, I was thinking about it, and slowly I came to this conclusion to be more involved in the activities and extract more joy as much as I can from that situation. But if you ask anyone, if you ask a small guy on what he wants to be in life, he will probably answer you that he wants to be happy. So does this being involved, which creates passion, which makes us feel less bored, make us happy? I don't know. Let's find out.